Oh, good golly. It is cold up. Sorry, I'm gonna put this down. Can't put the beanie on with the bloody. Okay. It's freaking cold, guys. It's one takeout today. As what the hell? Oh god. You're not cooking, are you?
Yes, I'm cooking.
You're not cooking, are you? What do you cook? What?
Green potatoes.
Oh. Whoa. Run for the hills.
Yeah, but no.
I don't know. I was tired, man. I was tired. Didn't sleep all last night before.
Two nights.
Because the neighbour woke me up at bloody crack of dawn to say they were pulling our fence down. And I didn't sleep well last night for some reason. I don't know. Just restless. Just restless.
Well, someone had to step in and fill the breach.
And what?
Fill the breach.
Fill
If the
breach.
chef's napping on the job.
Oh, sorry. The chef's a cook for the first time in a month.
On my day off.
I did say, I'll give you that nonsense. Any beverages? Tropical punch. 35% fruit juice with vitamin C. Yes. It's just explaining how it's just a one take it today because I didn't go anywhere today.
Lucky you weren't here 3 minutes ago.
What?
Just to come in here to help me, threw up in the sink and went back into the lounge room.
Mahatma.
The morning sickness is now night sickness.
Oh, good lord. Yeah, so just
Oh.
I recorded some Minecraft today. Just got ahead, played some Terraria again, and then I was like, it got to 6 o'clock, and I'm sitting there at the computer going. So yeah, had a nappy. It's 7 o'clock now. I just can't be arsed. So is dinner ready yet?
I don't know, but this knife's scaring the hell out of me.
Oh my god, how thick are those chunks?
I can't cut them any thinner than that. I'll cut my finger.
So we're making French fries.
And then they're not French fries.
Just hold that for a sec. Hold that.
Oh no, I've got potato hands.
You got potato hands. So wipe them on something. I need to do a comparison here of how it's supposed to be like. Yeah, hold up.
Yeah, here we go.
There you go, there. Okay. Oh, look at that. You can almost see through that. Oh, come on, man. This will take 3 hours to cook and cream. This will take 30 minutes.
I'm hungry.
Well, you're going to remain hungry because that ain't going to cook.
Look at that, you can see through it. Look, I can see a dog.
So can I? Boom.
What did you say? Nope.
Alright. Hey, Mahatma! How's it going in there? What? You need a cheeseburger? And a Whopper? The cries of help from a pregnant lady. Alright. I'm out of here. You want this life? I'll switch with you. Oh man. Making a double. Yeah, dinner's taken too long. So, sort of cheated. Hungry Jacks. And for people in America and probably Canada, maybe UK, I don't know. Hungry Jacks is the Australian version of Burger King. I have no idea why it's called Hungry Jacks here instead of Burger King, but for all intents and purposes, it is Burger King. There used to be a Burger King in the Melbourne airport up until like 1-2 years ago, like proper American Burger King, but now it's a Hungry Jack's as well. I don't understand it. But yeah, dinner will be ready at probably 9:30. So this will tide me over.